spicy peppers were huge like this,
oh yeah, no one's
why would anyone finish it?
Maaraw po ulit. So yan, kaka-uwi ko lang po galing sa trabaho. Under time po tayo ngayon. Kaya medyo makapag ikot pa tayo sa ating garden po. Yan. So, pampakalma. Meron po tayong kape. Ayan. Ang temp ngayon ay plus 21. Mainit po. Hindi gaya ng mga nagdaang araw na plus 7 lang. Ngayon, bigla po ulit na naging plus 21 yung panahon. Biglang uminit po ulit. Meron pang plus 28 sa ngayong week ata or next week. So, ayun. Mainit, malamig. Mainit, malamig. Sayang yung sayang yung mga halaman. Tino. Yan. Matamis to. Kumpara nung nakaraan. Tapos kape. Yan. Oh. Tambay muna ako saglit dito sa garden. Kasi mamaya pupunta ako sa school. Susunduin ko yung mga bata na kids natin. Kasi pasokan na po ngayon dito. Ang tamis niya. Tapos hindi siya madumi. Kasi noong nakaraang taon, pinapasok nung insekto yung loob niya. Ngayon parang wala man ako nakita. Ang ganda. Yun po, ang dami pong bunga. Ground cherry. Ayun, hanggang dun po yan, no? Ayun, dun. Puro po yan, ground cherry. Ang daming hinog. Ang daming pwede nang kunin. May nakatago pala dyan, no? Ang dalawa hindi ko nakita kahapon. Hindi ko napitas. Pero may mga naiwan pa naman dito na hindi ko pa napipitas. Agaya po niyan. Yan, sa baba. Yan. So mayroon pa. Marami pang mga, ayun, malaki pa. So nag-iwan pa ako para, ayun, may mga bunga pa po yan dyan. Marami pa. Pati po yung sa likod. Tingnan po natin. So kanina umulan na naman. Kaya maganda naman po yung ito pa pala, may mga bunga pa yung ampalaya. Hindi pa totally naubos yung bunga po kahapon. Nag-harvest ako pero hindi ko na bilang kung ilang piraso. Yan. Pati sa likod, silipin ko lang po saglit, Ang tambayan natin, marami pa ring bulaklak. Ayan, ayos pa rin. Namumulaklak ulit. Ay, namumunga ulit yung ating daming bunga. Ayan, yung ating kalabasa. Pasaway. Dumami ulit yung bunga nila, Hala. Late na. Late na ang variety ng kalabasang to, Late na po sila kung mamunga. Kasi yung unang bunga niya na-harvest na natin. Pangalawa pa lang yun, Pangatlo kasi ito yung pangalawa. Hindi ko lang alam kung pareho po sila ng puno. Ayun, sa taas na. Ay, sinabitan na yung ating nakasabit na po doon sa bubong ng ating greenhouse. So ito, hindi ko lang alam kung makakahabol pa. Pero sa tingin ko, isang linggo lang, pwede pa to sila makahabol. Yan, marami pa yan Ito, malabo ng makahabol po ito. Yan, ewan ko lang po dyan. So marami pang bunga. Ito, posible pang makahabol to, malambot. Okay to. Ito, sigurado makahabol. Yan. May mga bunga pa to dito. Hindi ko pa siya na-harvest. Yan. May mga bunga pa yan dyan. Ito. Pati sa taas, ewan ko lang sa kabila kung may mga bunga. Kasi ang sabi ko sa ating neighbor, na pag may nakita kayong bunga dyan, gulayin nyo na lang kaysa naman sa makalimutan or maging magulang na. Kaya sabi ko, gulayin nyo. Ayan. Ito, mga hindi na siya nakahabol. Naninilaw na siya. Sobrang dami. Ito, parang parang bala ng kanyo, patulis. Missile. Ito, hindi ko alam kung makahabol pa. May missile tayo. Oops, meron pa pala dito. Ay, pang bunga. Ewan ko lang sa baba. Yan. Wala naman gaano na siguro. Ito, maraming talbos. May mga bunga pa to eh. Yan Yan. May mga bunga pa yan. Ating kape. So magdit muna ako dito kasi alis na ako maya-maya. Tapos mamaya ko na lang ulit itutuloy yung atin pong vlog. Ang bilis lang lumaki ng nung ampalaya. Patula. Nakapag-harvest na ako dito ng mga ilang piraso eh. Nabawasan ko na po ito. Yan yung nasa baba po natin na pinakita ko po dati. Ayan malaki na. Namumulaklak pa siya Ito bago lang to. Nasa baba lang. Diba? So yung mga dito, ang bilis lang lumaki ito. Pwede na to. Yan, ganyan yung na-harvest ko nung nakaraan. Ito, yung mga yan. Ito, pwede na to. Ito po, pwede na yan. Ito isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, baka ito 5. So pati po sa kabila marami na rin. Tinanggalan ko kasi yung mga sanga kaunti para makatubo. Kaya yun, tumubo po sila. Ito isang sanga lamang po. Ito bilangin ko lang po kasi nakaka-miss kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sa isang sanga. Dito naman mas marami dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 din. 6 by 6 kumbaga sa kahoy. Ang dami. Ganoon sila. Kumpul-kumpul. Ito rin kumpul-kumpul din sila kung mamunga. Sa isang sanga 6. Pero dito ewan ko kung ano yung nangyari dito. Wala siyang gaanong bunga. Ewan ko lang kung nakapag-harvest tayo dito ng marami o parang wala nga. Parang dalawa lang. Tapos namamatay siya. Ewan ko anong problema dyan. Pero yung the rest, ayan daming bunga. Yan. So, may mga talbos pa rin. Hindi pa naman nasisira yung ating mga mga gulay. Ayan. Yung iba nga namumulaklak pa. Kahit late na. Tapos, ayan mayabong pa rin. Kasi yung panahon bigla na namang uminit. Hindi mo talaga maintindihan. Ayan, ang haba nito. Pahabang pahabang ampalaya. Kumusta na kaya yung mga kulubot dating bunga dito? Nakasurvive kaya? Ayan Ayan, makakasurvive pa, makakahabol pa. Isang linggo lang, pwede na po yan ulit sila. Yung mga dito, ayan na sila nabuhay na. Medyo malaki na ng konti. Ayan diba? Ito yung isa Pag hindi mo nilapitan, hindi mo sila makikita gaano. Dapat mo silang puntahan. Ayan. So umulan na naman kagabi, kaya wala tayong dilig ngayong araw. Marami namang talong sa ilalim mo. Yung long green, ayan o. May mga malaki na namang bunga. Dito nakapag-harvest ako ng medyo marami na. Ayun, may bago na namang bulaklak. Diba? Ewan ko ba? Hanggang ngayon, namumulaklak pa rin po siya. Maganda tong variety ng patola na to. Yung Lofa Joy. Saka, yung Rich okay rin siya. Ito, Lofa Joy. Tapos yung isang variety ay Pioneer po. Yan. Yan po yung mga variety ng ating patola. Tatlo po sila. Joy, Reg, tsaka yung Pioneer. Yan po. Tapos ayan yan po, yan, pwede na po yan dun. Yung 1, 2, yung 4 na yan or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 halos bale. Ito, dito ako nag-harvest kahapon. Yan, animan din siguro to. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lang. Ayan kumpul-kumpul. So lumalaki naman. Kahit dikit-dikit po sila dyan, kumpul-kumpul po sila, nabubuhay pa rin. Kaya pa rin po ng sanga niya. Kasi may mga variety ng patola na konti lang ang bunga, pero to kahit ayan kumpul-kumpul sila. May mga malalaki, may mga maliliit, nabubuhay pa rin po. Hindi nga lang ganun kalalaki kasi syempre nauna naman yun. Pero pag kinuha mo yun, makakahabol pa rin to. Itong mga sumunod po dito, ayan, okay pa naman. Namumunga pa rin, gaya nito dito. Ito, yung Rich natin, nahuli siya ng bunga. Pero, ayun 1. Naman ko lang kung mabuo yan. Ito, pangit na itsura pahaba na. Ito, kulubot na siya. Malabo na. Ito, straight siya. Okay lang. So, marami pang mga bunga po dyan ng patola na maliliit pa. Hindi ko lang alam kung makakahabol po yan kasi medyo paiba-iba na po yung panahon. Pero may mga bulaklak pa siya sa taas mga lalaki naman po yan. So ito dito mga bago to. Ayan ang ganda pa ng hugis niya Hindi ko alam kung Pioneer to or Joy. Ayan, ay mga bago pang bunga yung patola natin maganda pa rin. Pati yung kangkong dito naging kulay green na. So gagawin ko dito, i-harvest ko to, tapos ilalagay ko sa ziplock and lalagyan ko po siya ng tubig. Hindi ko po siya ibablanch. So yan, pwede na to. Isang harvestan lamang po. Yan, green na siya ang ganda na po siya. Yan, so lumaki na yung mga talong natin dun sa ilalim, mga long green. Yan po. So ayan yung ating garden. Diba, wala pang gaanong dilaw yung dahon maliban po dyan sa sa sitaw po. Pero yung the rest po okay pa naman, maliban lang doon sa loob ng ampalaya kasi hindi siya masyadong naarawan. So yung ilalim po niyan ay medyo dilaw na po yung mga dahon, pero yung top niya yan okay pa naman po siya. Ang ganda pa rin naman po. Ayan. And ngayon naman ay pupuntahan ko yung mga kids na sa school kasi marami ang pila ng parking po ngayon dun. So lalaro po kami ng frisbee ng mga kids. Tapos naisip ko meron pala tayong i-harvest ngayon dito sa ating garden. Yun po ang ating mga bell pepper kasi namumula na po at saka hinog na. And harvesting ko lamang po ito saglit kasi baka mamaya Magkaya na naman sa Riverbend Park yung mga kids. Kaya unahin ko na po muna to. Para mamaya kahit hapon na pa kami or gabi na pa kami makabalik. At least na-harvest ko na po ito. What happened?
It's right. Oh my god.
What happened? Are you stuck in there? Oh man. How can we do it now?
Oh wait,
Okay,
flip
we're
it.
gonna just like
No,
flip
it over
no, swing it
there.
there outside. Marco, watch out your head over there.
Yeah.
You're gonna swing it from there. There. Oh, where is it?
So close. It's right there.
So close. Okay.
Mommy,
Maybe outside in there. I'm gonna just like do it. Marco is right over there. Oh, it's it's right here.
peppers.
Hey, here.
Papa, are you going to harvest the peppers?
I will. Yeah, there's Marco.
Wait, aren't they spicy when you touch them?
No, it's bell pepper. Look,
Okay,
Marco's
can
over
we
there.
harvest?
Okay, sure. Yeah, Marco's there. Look at Marco. Again, the frisbee there. Hey, watch out. You can harvest it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Marco is still playing. After we harvest this one, we're gonna...
Yeah.
Where are you? I can't see you.
Why?
It's right on the other side. Let me help you with this one. Oh, there you go. Okay. You know how to do it, right? Okay.
So you have to find the stem of it.
Find the stem, yeah, and then cut it. Marco's still playing frisbee. Hey, Ephraim! Oh my god, it's over there. It's in our garden.
Yummy. Bell pepper 1.
Bell pepper 2. Okay. There's the other guy. Where's the other guy?
And number 3. So, there's a slug.
There's slug? Can you see it? Oh
I
yeah.
hate slug.
Oh yeah, he's
I thought it
eating.
was just a hole.
Okay. Oh my god, the frisbee is
Come
down there.
on.
Yeah, it's starting to eat this one. But there's no hole.
This one? Ew,
Yeah, you can have it, Marco. You can do it.
Ew, I hate slug. They're so
That's
disgusting.
Wow.
Are we going to kill it?
The slugs?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Where is it? Whoa, that one's a big one.
Watch out your fingers when you cut it. Make sure your fingers is far away from the cutter. Okay. That's it. That's it. Okay, very good.
Wow, that was a
Perfect.
really thick one.
There's a yellow one here. Frisbee out.
Orange one.
Marco, you're blocking Kuya.
I have 2.
Okay, you can just like get the orange too. Yeah, just harvest all of it.
Oh.
You can harvest that. There
I
you
can
go.
harvest this one.
You can harvest the bell pepper, the big ones here. We have yellow. We have yellow here, right? We have yellow one.
Oh yeah, yellow.
Okay, Marco's going to get the yellow.
Oh, it's kind of green.
Your hands is your fingers far away from the
Wait, Papa, where's the other one?
other one. There's some red in there at the very end.
Like the other
Cutter.
scissor?
Other scissor. Watch out your fingers, Marco.
Where's the
Okay?
other cutter?
Wow, can you see it? Wow.
Wait,
it's so
pause.
yellow.
Where's the other cutter?
It's okay. You can just like use only one.
I
Take
want
turns.
to get my own.
Take turns in here. Okay, careful. No running when you're holding it. Okay. Wow, you're dropping it.
I know.
There's a big one in there. Hey, at the very end. Look. Okay, put it there first. Thank you, mister. There. Wow, that's a big one.
Okay, got it.
You got it?
Mix.
Okay, that's it. Wow. That's a yellow. There's a green. Can you see our harvest? Oh, it looks now nice. Look. Different colors. Oh, it's orange. Orange. There's light orange.
Is this one right? Oh no, that's green.
Someone is doing the red one. Okay, there's a big one here, Marco, too. This one is good too.
Oh man. This one?
Fingers,
Some of
guys.
these are thick. The long ones have pretty thick legs.
It's gypsy, I think. Banana something. Okay, over there.
One.
Yeah, there's one.
There's some over here. Oh yeah, I'm back here.
Yeah, even the green one. Here, I saw someone here.
This one?
No, not that one, Marco. Oh, it's so big.
Oh,
There's more in there, eh?
that was so hard.
Wow,
I had to change
I like
direction.
the color. Oh, Marco got two. Wow. Thank you. And there's another one. Watch out, it's sharp, eh? Okay, and I saw something in orange one.
Can we cut the green one?
No, not the small one. It might gonna grow a little bit more.
This one? How about this one?
Where?
Here?
No.
I did? No?
Just like pull it out.
Oh wait, this just pulled out.
Oh, okay, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, you can put it here.
But there's another one. He's drawing.
Okay,
Wait, how
That's
about
great.
the back?
that's fine.
So when we take the picture.
No, Marco, no. Here, there's a red one, a green one there. See, a big one.
Oh yeah.
Very good. And there's one there, Kuya, on the
This one.
ground. Not that one, the other one there on the ground.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can get it too, please. And I saw a big one here too,
Oh yeah.
with a slug on it under.
Yeah, under.
Okay, let's get the slug out.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
trying to eat it.
You can, just like, where's it? Stop it. Stomp. You're cutting? Okay.
Oh, I cut him and now he's inside.
Oh, Marco, come here. I saw. Okay.
cut him up.
Okay, up. Here. There's
Cut
another
his
one here.
inside. Yeah.
Yeah. Over there. Yeah, that's good. Okay. That's all?
Just?
Marco saw something. A big one?
Oh man, there's so many.
Nothing? Oh, you're just kidding.
We have to just put them outside. No, I don't. And then pretend to turn it up.
Okay mga kagulay, so ito pa yung ating harvest ngayon with
Looks tasty.
kids. Ayan. So,
The bell pepper looks tasty.
yeah, iba't ibang kulay po ng bell pepper. So may gypsy, sweet pepper, may bell pepper.
That's
Iwan ko po
yummy.
kung anong variety po ito. It's like the teeth.
No, it's a beak.
Oh, it's a beak. Can you say it again?
Birds don't have beaks. It's a dinosaur beak.
So yun mga kagulay, oh. Ang dami nating bell pepper. So ang gagawin namin dito, ilalagay po namin ito sa freezer.
Yeah,
I-cut
I
namin
can.
ito ng pahiwang ganun, tapos tatanggal namin yung loob niya.
Wait, Papa,
Tapos ilalagay namin sa
are the red
freezer.
ones more spicy?
No, it's just the color. If it's just like a small one, then it's gonna be a spicy one. But
So
this
this
one
one?
is only, no, the small, like Tabasco.
Yeah.
Like,
the smaller the pepper usually is
Chili, yeah. Thai chili.
the one of the like the smaller the pepper the more spicy it's going to be. Do you know
Right.
why?
Why?
Because like the reason why is because like if spicy peppers were huge like
Oh yeah,
this,
no one's
why
gonna.
would anyone finish it?
I got
See
your
my point?
Yeah.
Why would anyone finish a giant spicy pepper like this? Like for
That's a
example,
good point.
why if the spiciest pepper in the world was
It's
this
just like that big, yeah.
why would anyone take a bite and
Yeah,
finish
for sure.
this, right?
And you can just like put it on a soup, and you can put it on your sausawan, because it's too big. Remember how big is that? But who knows, maybe there's some just like big bell pepper that is so spicy. But your point is good.
Yeah, and also the spiciest peppers like that small
There's
in one bite, so
yeah,
you don't. Yeah,
jalapeno, there's Tabasco, there's in the Philippines there's siling labuyo.
and then there's like
Yeah. So that's our harvest for today mga kagulay. Bell pepper po. Yan. Yan. So, ang ganda po ng kulay niya, no? Iba't ibang kulay ng bell pepper. Oh, baka malaglag. Oops. 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 I might gonna drop this one. Oopsie. Oops. There's may kahoy. Okay, so yan mga kagulay. Ang ating bell pepper. Para lamang po siyang plastic. Yun. Tapos saglit lang. Ayan. Ayan po. Ayan. So, wow. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan. So, right now I'm gonna end this vlog dahil baka gabihin na naman po kami doon sa labas mamaya. Kasi mag-bike po kami papunta ulit ng Riverbend. So baka dumiretso din po kami doon sa dumiretso po kami doon sa Bird Sanctuary. Sabado po bukas, Friday po ngayon. So bukas po meron tayong pasok sa trabaho, kaya medyo hindi ako makapaglaro sa mga boys, kaya ngayon kayo maglalaro. Tapos pagka uwi ko po bukas, yun, sabay po ulit kaming babike kasama sila. Nandun po yung ating na-harvest na bell pepper. So yun lamang po muna makagulay yung ating update tsaka yung ating vlog sa araw na po ito. Yun, pag-harvest po tayo ng bell pepper, tapos ikot po tayo sa ating garden. Yan po, so maganda pa yung ating garden, wala pa naman kaanong sirang dahon. So yan po, gusto ko lang po pasalamat dun po sa ating mga bagong subscriber, dun po sa mga nag-share, nag-like at nanonood at walang sawang sumusubaybay sa ating munting gulayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. God bless po, mabuhay po kayo. Yan po, hanggang sa muli po, thank you po for watching, and see you po my next vlog para po sa update dito po sa ating munting gulayan. Magandang gabi, and maraming salamat po.